everyone, Krina here. Do you have problems with focus? Do you have problems with concentrating on something important? Do you have sometimes a cloudy mind or brain fog? Absent-minded maybe? Forgetfulness? Now all this is related to the brain, right? And concentration issue on memory. Now the thing is, it's very funny, right? Something related to brain, actually the main source of problem lies in our digestive system, which is our kidney and also spleen. So today's soup, right, is about how do you nourish your kidney, how do you nourish your spleen, so that, right, enough oxygen, enough vital energy, qi, is able to be transported to the brain for your optimum functioning. This is especially key, right, for students, right, or even parents, right, who need to handle so many responsibilities, have to juggle so many demands in life, right? In fact, everyone, yeah. So, okay, so the ingredients, right, is actually quite simple. There's only 5, right? The first one is actually reishi mushroom or lingzi mushroom. It is prized for ages, right, for its ability to actually improve the brain function, ability to calm and focus. And the other one is walnuts, right? Walnut is a long time regarded as a brain food, and all this is basically, it helps to nourish the qi in the kidney, yeah. And of course, right, we have the other ingredients which are quite common ones, like tangsen. Tangsen is like a poor man's ginseng. It is really very good for replenishes your qi or vital energy, right? Because most of the time you don't have enough energy. That's why it is hard to focus, yeah. And the red dates and the goji berry is very good for transporting on nourishes and replenishes your blood and also calming your spirit, so that, right, you can basically, again, as you know, enough blood is enough for transporting oxygen across our body, yeah. So all this is all this combined is very, very good for this purpose, right? Focus, concentration, reduction of brain fogginess, yeah. So with that, today's soup, I'm just going to mix with pork bones, and of course, if you are vegetarian, you can just do without, right? The soup will be a little bit bitter because of the reishi mushroom, but hopefully, because we have added in quite a lot of sweet, naturally sweet herbs, so it should neutralize a bit of that bitterness. And I do encourage, right, parents to urge their children to drink even a little bit, right, just so that, and drink it while it's a little bit warm so that it's less bitter, yeah. Okay, great. I hope you have a great day, and the steps are pretty simple, right? The steps are literally you blanch the pork, and then we cut the tangsen into smaller pieces, and we just deseed the red dates. Deseeding red dates will reduce its heatiness, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to dig in now. Okay, this is haven't added salt. It has a little bit only of the bitter taste, right? The rest of the taste is actually okay. It's not too bad. So I think if we add salt, it will be much nicer. Now, as you can see, the colors is very nice. So I think it's quite appetizing, even for children. So I think definitely you can let them try. It's really not too bad, yeah. Enjoy. Let's just do a tasting now. We have added salt to this already. You want to try first?
Yeah.
Wait, then I give you a little bit less. Okay, now you try. Come nearer to mommy. Come nearer. How is it?
Good.
How is it? Okay?
Yeah.
Is it bitter or not?
No.
No?